Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if your internet is slow or some websites block your Android phone, so changing your DNS server can make your internet faster, safer, and also more private. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in just a few minutes. So before we start, for a quick explanation, DNS is like the phone book of the internet. So it helps your phone find websites faster, and using a better DNS can improve speed and also security. So first, this is the best and the easiest method. You can just change DNS using the private DNS. You can open your settings and then go to the network or connection, and in here you can just tap on private DNS and select the private DNS provider host name, and in here you can just enter the DNS address. For example, you can use this one, dns.google. This is for Google DNS, or you can also use Cloudflare DNS. And after that, you can just tap on save, and you're done. Your DNS server is now changed system-wide. And the second method, you can also change DNS for Wi-Fi only. You can just go to setting and click on Wi-Fi, and you can just tap and hold your connected network like this and choose to modify a network. So you can just find the advanced options and just change the IP settings to static and enter your preferred DNS. For example, for DNS 1, you can go with 88@8 and DNS 2, 8844. So there are some popular DNS servers that you can try, such as Google DNS that I told you before. Cloudflare DNS is very fast and privacy focused, and also AdGuard DNS. It blocks ads and also trackers. So you can just test and see which one works best for you. And if your internet stops working after changing DNS, don't panic. Just switch your private DNS back to automatic or double check the DNS address you entered. So that's how you can change DNS server on your Android phone. If this helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.